India has a huge population. With increase in population, the purchasing power of automobiles is also increasing, resulting in increase in number of automobiles on Indian roads. Road accidents in India are highest in the world. A recent report by World Health Organization has stated that highest number of road accidents are in India, majorly due to tire burst. Another study claims an average of more than 1.9 lakh people are killed due to road accidents every year. Out of these, more than 60% are due to tire bursts. To overcome this problem, IRA, through research and development, has introduced nitrogen inflator Nitropa Titanium. IRA are original equipment manufacturers of tire inflators and have been leaders since more than 3 decades. Let's have a look at the various benefits of nitrogen for different vehicle segments, for cars, for bikes, and for commercial vehicles. Tires filled with normal air tend to react to heat during long travel, and eventually the tire bursts due to heat generation. Nitrogen keeps the tire cool as nitrogen gas is inert. This keeps the tire pressure consistent for a long period. Nitrogen provides safety and adds years to the life of vehicle tires. The first-time user of nitrogen has to deflate air completely from the tires and fill nitrogen as per the desired tire pressure level. Thereafter, nitrogen needs to be refilled after 2 to 3 months. Nitrogen filling facility is available across various fuel stations in India. Nitropower Titanium offers highest nitrogen purity, protecting the tire bead from rust and ensuring corrosion-free tires. The high-speed flow of nitrogen fills the vehicle tires in 2 minutes. Nitropower Titanium has an inbuilt tire counter to count the number of tires filled, ensuring better control. With this feature, the user can keep a track of vehicles, the number of tires nitrogen was filled in, and the revenue generated on a particular day. An electronic LED display clearly indicates the tire pressure level during day as well as night. Nitropower Titanium generates nitrogen from compressed air based on pressure swing adsorption (PSA) technology. IRA uses the best quality German imported carbon molecular sieve (CMS) in Nitropower Titanium. CMS adsorbs oxygen from compressed air, which contains 79% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen, ensuring high purity nitrogen. There are many low quality inflators available in the market, but the purity of nitrogen cannot be guaranteed. That is, the machines may be nitrogen inflators, but will dispense normal air. Also, such machines will dispense a mixture of air and nitrogen. The payback period, that is, the return on investment for Nitropower Titanium, is between 10 to 12 months. IRA's products are known for quality. We believe quality is the success of any business. Our products go through stringent quality control checks. Our sales and service network is spread across 128 locations with more than 100 engineers attending service calls every day. Our toll-free number is available to assist for any service and support issues. Features of Nitropower Titanium: inbuilt tire counter, bright daylight visibility, total cost of ownership, ensures nitrogen purity between 95 to 99%, available with a state-of-the-art remote control. Energize your tires with Nitropower Titanium. For more information on Nitropower Titanium, visit www.nitropower.in, www.irapl.com.